Welcome to the grand opening of Fairdale High School's Diesel Tech Lab.
Right.
We're at Fairdale High School, and we are doing a ribbon cutting for the Diesel Tech program.
Well, right now we're in the Fairdale High School diesel garage, and we just got a couple engines on display for everybody to see what this program's all about. And over here, this little wheel moves this little wheel, and it goes down over here, goes to the CAC air cooler and the air compressor.
This is just a Class 6 truck we have up on our mobile column lifts. So these are Bluetooth lifts we can put underneath the tires, lift up to 50,000 pounds.
I'm part of this program in order to get a job after high school. I think this program is really important to me and a lot of other students because it gives them an opportunity that we wouldn't have anywhere else.
So I teach diesel tech, or IMMR, inspection, maintenance, and minor repair. You know, kids are going to learn some real life skills that are applicable directly to the workplace.
We're not here just for the fun of it. We're here to produce students that can earn a living and have a better life, and we want to meet the needs of our region, our state, and our community.
Yeah, this isn't super simple, let's change some tires. You know, everything runs on electronics these days, so you're going to do a lot of electrical training. The operation theory of a diesel engine is complex.
We do get a little hands-on experience, but there are some things we learn in our classroom. Like, for example, on this side over here, we have the exhaust manifold, and that leads into the turbo on this side of the diesel engine. And so we get to see how that kind of works and how it goes into the turbocharger and the CAC, and how hot air and expansion gets all over here.
This is what this is all about, kids having a pathway. These kids right here are passionate about doing this work.
That's the kind of vehicle they could expect to work on in the on-highway division. Those were all brought over today by our community partners and industry partners, which are a huge part of this program.
This lab space is incredible and a blessing to our industry. It'll be extremely valuable for these students learning real job skills. We are proud to be a part of this program, and we want to continue to provide these kind of opportunities to students here at Fairdale.
As I love working on engines.
So I just think it's really incredible that Fairdale's offering this, and it's definitely one of the reasons I'm proud to be in Fairdale High School.